So we're going to go 1/3 overexposed. And that, when your histogram looks like this, then you know your whites on this side, they're not clipping, and your blacks are not clipping. And we'll just do it step by step. So also a base wrap. It's a nice stretchy wrap that stretches both ways. So we're going to make it firm, but we're not going to make it too tight for the baby. So now remember, when you take the shot, if you tilt your camera a little bit this way, then it's going to lift the baby's head up. If you look at highlights and shadows, just lift it again for me and bring it over the knee. Then that immediately gives me this beautiful shape in her body. So the first shot I'm taking straight on, because I want daddy's hands level. And then I'm going to just tilt my camera and take a different angle, and I'll show you the images. Still, we want to be above, and now we're coming from this angle. So I'm going to just come a little bit from above. Now I'm focusing on the other eye. Relax your shoulder for me. Cool. Okay, so now, oh. Okay, and can we cut?